In example 1 here, we have this graphic. It looks very intimidating, but it certainly shouldn't be. It's just a series of crisscrossing lines. And what a series of crisscrossing or intersecting lines does is it makes a series of angles. And we're going to use our understanding of angle relationships to answer this problem here. So we have angle 1 here, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4 that we need to determine. So as we look at this graphic here, a couple of things I notice. Right here I have a 90-degree angle. That's what that square indicates there. And then this is a straight line. This is a straight angle. So the measure of angle 1, that's supplementary to this angle here. So the measure of angle 1 also has to be 90 degrees. So I'm just going to indicate that. I'm going to use a square also. Next, I see that this is a triangle. And we know that the sum of the measures of any triangle has to equal to 180 degrees. So I'm going to use that knowledge to help find angle 2. So what I'll do is I'll say the measure of angle 2, that's going to be equal to 180 degrees. But I'll subtract out the 90 degrees here, this angle 1 here. And I'll subtract out the 48 degrees here. So 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 48 degrees, that leaves us with 42 degrees. So the measure of angle 2 has got to be 42 degrees, and I'm just going to pen it in right here. Now notice that angle 2 and angle 3 are across from each other. These are vertical angles, and what we know about vertical angles is vertical angles have the same measure. So the measure of angle 3 is also 42 degrees. So I'm just going to pencil it in here. That leaves us with angle 4 down here, and I could see right here, this is another triangle. And again, the measures of the angles of any triangle are going to equal to 180 degrees. So I'll use that knowledge to help solve for angle 4. So I'll say the measure of angle 4, that's equal to 180 degrees. I'll subtract out the 42 degrees of angle 3. I'll then subtract out the 62 degrees here. 180 degrees minus 42 degrees minus 62 degrees gives us 76 degrees. So the measure of angle 4 is 76 degrees, and I'll just pen it in right here. So the measure of angle 1 is 90 degrees. The measure of angle 2 is 42 degrees. The measure of angle 3 is also 42 degrees. And the measure of angle 4 is 76 degrees.